And we are back once again. I hope you have been enjoying this course, guys. And today we're going to talk about another important topic, il verbo avere or to have. Il verbo avere is another auxiliary verb. It's the second auxiliary verb that we have. We have essere and avere. But avere is not just an auxiliary verb. It's also like essere, a verb that we use for several things. For example, we use avere to show possession, that we own something. For example, io ho il libro. I have the book, like in English. But we also use it for the age. In English, we say I am 39 years old. In Italian, we use the other auxiliary verb. We use avere. So we say io ho 39 anni, like if I possess these years. So basically, avere has three functions. It's an auxiliary verb that we use with compound tenses that we will see in the future. We use it to show ownership, possession of something. Io ho una macchina. And we also use it to talk about the age, our age or somebody else. It's an irregular verb as well, so the conjugation is peculiar, let's say, because every pronoun has a specific one, and when we conjugate it, it's not like regular verbs. So let's see the conjugation together regarding presente indicativo, so the indicative present. Io ho, tu hai, lui, lei ha, noi abbiamo, voi avete, loro hanno. The H is silent in Italian when it's at the beginning of a word. So io ho, tu hai, lui, lei ha, loro hanno. They all have the H at the beginning, but we don't pronounce it. But anyhow, online you can see how it's written. So I think that this video can help you if you have doubts how to use il verbo avere. As usual, if you have questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video, always talking about Italian grammar. So that's all for now. I hope you are enjoying this course. Buon pomeriggio e buon apprendimento.